Hello my beauties, welcome again to my channel for Halloween special. This time I tried to make a mermaid look with glitter and pearls and mermaid scales. So it was really easy actually. I think it's one of the easiest. You just need the pearls. If you don't have it, you can use whatever, but the scales and everything was really easy to do. And it's fun, and I love mermaids, so I was very inspired to. And I just go ahead and take a look of what I have, what I did with this look, and yeah, I hope you like it. Bye. I'm gonna start with the eyes, so I'm gonna prep my eyes with concealer. This one is from ColourPop. The number is Fair 05W. I think it's the lightest shade that they have for concealers. And this one is gonna prep my eyelids because I'm using really light colors and I want them to pop. So I'm putting a really light cast before my eyeshadows. So the only things that I'm gonna do is just apply on my lids and then use a small beauty blender to blend this, and maybe like a couple of layers here because I really want a light eyelid. Now that I have my concealer on my eyelids, I'm gonna take a lighter, almost like white shade. This one is from Tarte. It's Compassioner, and a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna apply all over the lid just to set the concealer. Alright, now that my lids are ready, I'm gonna use this palette, Remember Me, from Amor US, and I'll be using these light shades of blues and greens maybe. I don't know, I'm thinking more like blue and purple-ish for this look. So I am going to take this one, Cloud 9, which is like an aqua color maybe, like it's in between green and blue. And I'm just gonna apply in towards the inner corner of my eye. And what I'm doing is just tapping the color. I'm not blending it or anything. I'm just tapping in the color. I'm trying to focus more on staying below the crease just this time. So it's just like this little corner here, what I'm putting my shadow in. Next, I'm gonna take this one, Mother Earth, and it's more like a greenish shade, and I am going to put a little on top of my previous shadow, and then extend that a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go with Lagoon, and I'm doing exactly the same, and I'm using the same brush. So a little bit on top, and then extending. And the Lagoon one, it's a little bit more bluish. Now I'm gonna go with a purple shade, and this time I am going to use Surge. There you go, Surge. It's a bright purple, and I'm again just put it on top. And this time I'm do blending a little these two colors, so I can kind of mix like the two colors, mix them and extend them all over past my brow. So I'm just tapping and then mixing with another and kind of blending in outwards and a little bit inwards as well. I don't want really harsh lines. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one on Air, which is like a sky blue, a really light, or a sky blue. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on top here, closer to my brow bone. You guys can see it. and then extend that towards my hairline and mixing a little with the previous color. And that's okay if I'm going all over this way. That's actually what I want to do. Like I want to paint some kind of like mermaid, I don't know how to call it, scales. So this goes with the look. Remember, the best way or the best excuse to use to go overboard with makeup, it's Halloween. So this time we can go crazy. Now I'm gonna take a pencil brush. This one is a smudging brush, and I'm gonna take the On Air color, which is the blue one, and just add a little here. And then I'm gonna take the search one, the purple one, and I am going to add it here. Okay, so now that I have this eyeshadow on, I am gonna use two eyeliners. This one is a blue one. It's more like an aqua blue one. It's really shiny. This one is from Bisou, and it's 11, color 11. It doesn't have like a name. And this one, it's more like a plum color. It's like the really dark plum purple. It's again from Bisou, and the number is number 5. What I'm gonna do is just add a little on the top of my lashes, and then I'm gonna smudge it with my pencil brush or a smudge brush. Then I flick it here, so I'm just following my lash line, and I'm going to go over my teardrop so I can add a pop of color in there. And then with the purple one, I'm just gonna go over my waterline. And I'm extending the line just below the blue one. Okay, now that I have these colors going on, I am going to use a net to do the scales. This one is for like the laundry when you need like to put delicates in kind of a separate way or something like that. I actually never use it. I just throw everything on the washer and I don't care. But that's supposed to be used for delicates, I think. So I'm using this one. Any kind of net that you have, you can use ties. You can use, I don't know, nets that you have like for stuff. But you get what I'm saying. You just need like a net so we can put it on top of wherever we want the scales to look. So what I'm going to do is look ridiculous, and then I am going to kind of like press it really good with two of my fingers, and I'm planning to start from here to here. So I'm gonna paint all over my eyes and here, and I'm using the same colors. So I don't have a plan on which color is going to go next or whatever. I'm just gonna grab whatever I feel like it's good. Now I feel that there's a lot of blue and I need more purple, so maybe I'll go and use more purple in this area, maybe a pink. And I'll just go all over my eye, and hopefully you guys know or understand what I'm saying, and also hopefully this goes well, because I didn't try it first. So I'm gonna take out just a little brush, and I am going to paint like all over whatever, and I'm gonna be mixing colors in between. So now I was using a purple, now I'm using a blue one. Did it work? Did it work? It did work! Okay, cool. Yes, nice. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. How do you feel? I feel that now it's too much purple. I think I'm gonna just change it a little and use a pink one. Why not pink? Let's add some touch of pink here. So I will continue to do that. I'm gonna do here the outer of my eyes from my temples, and then I'm gonna do some on my hairline and maybe here. And again, this kind of makeup, I feel so ridiculous right now. And again, this look, especially this look, it's more like how do you feel like it? How do you want it? I can tell you just do these scales all over your face or whatever, but honestly, I just want you to feel comfortable doing it, and however you creative, however creative you want to be with it. Like, oh, I want to do all over my face, or I want to do like all this part, or like my lips. I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is here and around here and maybe here and maybe however I'm looking the results, I may be changing spots, but the basically it's just putting the net around your face, whatever you want to use it or whatever you want to create this kind of scale look, and then just applying color, and you just have to tap it on it, and you can use as much as you want. So you can use whatever you feel like it. You can do as much as you want, or just as little as you want. You can even do it all over your eyelids if you want to. I don't feel like doing that, but it's really easy, super easy. You just need one net, brush, and color. And I'm gonna apply also glitter, but I'm gonna do that at the end because I want to see where I want to put the glitter first. Now that I am kind of happy with my scales, I feel like I went overboard, but okay. I am going to use glitter. I'm using Lemonhead glitter, Houdini, and it's kind of purple. You guys can see it. It's purple and blue, and I think it's perfect. And I'm just gonna again put. Actually, I think I'm gonna do this, even if I look like a crazy person. And I'm just gonna apply all over, not all over, but like where I did my scales. So I decided to take the same glitter and just apply on my lid, just right in the center. Now that I have almost everything, my scales, my eyes, I am going to use pearls to put all over around, because I mean it's mermaid, and what else is mermaid than pearls? So I'm gonna be using pearls, okay? Have this adhesive pearls that I found on Amazon. You can find them also at Michael's or at craft stores. I also gonna put the link on the Amazon place that I found them. So I'm taking my pearls, and I'm just, because they are self-adhesive, I'm just gonna go ahead and place them whatever I feel like it. I think that we need to put like a little around the eyes, and maybe like in this area here, and maybe here. So just, again, just like the scales, be creative, put them whenever you feel like it looks good. And then maybe like a bunch of little ones or medium ones around. Okay, lashes are done, and I put my lipstick, a matte one as well. This one is Lover from Maybelline, and I'm gonna go ahead and do some scales on my mouth as well. I don't know, I felt like it, but I'm using a pink shimmery color just to add some kind of shine to it. I'm using this palette from ColourPop, My Little Pony, and I'm using this pinkish golden shimmery color. And what I'm gonna do is just press it. There you go. Now I have like a mermaid lips. I am just going to kind of blend it a little in the corners, and that's it. So it's pretty easy and fun, and yeah. So, and also I saw in Amazon like leggings that look like mermaid tail, and they're like $7 or $8, I don't remember. So you can actually do like a really cool and feminine and creative look without spending that much for Halloween. It was fun. You can also do different colors. I like these ones, and yeah, I really hope you guys like it, and let me know how it went for you. If you want to complete the look like I did with beach waves, well, I used to have beach waves, but now I don't know what's going on here. But if you want to create beach waves for that like mermaid beach look, and you don't want to wear a wig and you want like soft beach waves, and you can also see my tutorial. I have a tutorial. I'm gonna link it here or here, like here. So I'm gonna link it here, and then also if you wanna see the pearl eyeliner, so instead of like applying pearls all over, you want to do a pearl eyeliner for this look, I also gonna do it like here or something like that. Like, I'm just gonna put those two videos there so you can click it and complete the look if you want to, and just have more fun with me. So have a really nice weekend. I'll see you for our last Halloween makeup next week, and then I'll just do regular as always. And yeah, so have a really nice weekend, and thank you very much for watching me. Please follow me. Please give me a like, share, connect with me. My Instagram is always in the links. You can follow me, and thank you so much. Bye.